Hello guys, welcome back to another installment of my AMC 10 series. Today we have yet another question here, so let's start off as always by reading the question. So, let Sn equal the sum of the digits of a positive integer n. For example, S1507 should equal to 13, guessing as 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7 is 13. Now, for a particular positive integer n, Sn equals 1274. So, which of the following could be the value of Sn plus 1? Now, obviously, 1274 is not divisible by 9. However, I'm going to try and make n as small as possible so I don't have to this will be as complicated. So we will have Sn equal to a bunch of 9s. We will have n equal to a bunch of 9s and then a certain digit here that we don't know. Now, 1274 is equal to, 1274 is equal to 141 times 9 plus 5. So we know that so now we know that n is equal to 999. Actually, no, we don't. Yeah, so 999 and then 5. So there's a total of 141 nines and then ends with a 5. Now, if you were to add a 1 to it, so we need to find which of the following would be the value of Sn plus 1. So this would be a 6. Our Sn equal to 141 times 9 plus 6, which equals to 1275. So 1275. Now, obviously, 1275 is not one of our answers. So let's put the 5 somewhere else. So instead, it's now going to be 999 959 like this. And when we add a 1 to this number, we get 999 960. So this now, instead of being 141 nines, there is 149 here, a 6, and a 0. So the Sn would be equal to 140 times 9 plus 6, which equals to 1266. Now, as you can see here, there's already starting to be a pattern. Whenever we move the 5 in a different place, and we add 1, we will our 9s will, some of them will get converted to a 0, and therefore we will lose a 9 for Sn. So the next Sn, if you'd have the 5 in a different place, so one digit place to the left, it'd be 139 times 9 plus 6, which should equal to 1257, and then it would be 1248, and then 1239, and now we sort of have a pattern here, so it just goes down by 9 every time, and eventually you'll actually see here 1239 is one of the possibilities given our with like all the 9s and like a 5, and this means that, and also luckily 1239 is actually one of our answers to the problem D. So if n were to be a string of 9s, a 5, and then another string of 9s, and then we add 1 to it, if it's the correction of 9s, like correct combination, Sn plus 1 is equal to 1239. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any other ways to solve this problem, please tell me, and thank you for listening. Bye.